Well, my Wi-Fi box is like right in my room. It's under my desk.
Yeah. Oh, mine is like 40 feet around my entire room.
Watch out.
Draw the spot. The ladder.
It worked.
The pistol? Oh,
Yo, nah. Stupid. Here's our. Where's your pistol at? Huh? Huh?
Oh, you're right. This is not. I just love the SMG-12, bro. I
There's
love
no
the
ego here.
SMG-12 a bunch. You're right. You really want to talk about ego? I'll show you.
Make a rotate here, Jar. Rotate here, right? Open up that door, Jar.
Yeah, you're right. Fuck, they know I'm here.
But they don't know about us, okay, Jar?
You're right, you're right, you're right. Max, you got that. Good shit, ego. Watch this now, I hold it. And then I wait for ego. Oh, never mind. I got pushed. Oh, ego.
Loading new magazine!
Boggling. Go to workshop. Oh, Plumon got ego.
what the
Goodbye.
frick?